Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send or receive money on PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to open your PayPal account and make sure that you are logged in. So in my case, I'm just going to log in now. And after that, the first thing that you will see is the send and the request button here from your homepage. Either you can just go to the dedicated place or the dedicated tab of it and click on send. And from there, you will see where you can be able to send request and you can even find your contact here. So I'm just going to stick with home for now. And basically to send funds or to send the money, you will need just to click on send. And of course, you will need to have already some bank account or some bank that are linked within your account so you can send the money. So let's just add any username. So let's just search for any user, for example, this one. And from here, you will need just to add the amount. Of course, the recipient would get something, and also you can choose the currency. For example, it will be like that. And of course, you can see the conversion rate and also, the rate will include a currency conversion fee in that case. And you can add whatever you like, for example, gifts or whatever. And from here, you will be needing to add uh, the amount. So as you can see, for example, you can send whatever was the amount and it will be converted. You click on next and basically you will have your fund that will be uh, sent. And of course, you will need to have your uh, bank account or bank card to be, of course, linked to your PayPal account, and that's it. And for requesting or receiving money, you can request payment from some people. For example, you will just go to anyone. So let's just go with the same user. We click on next, and basically, you will need the amount that you want to request. For example, like this, and then request a payment. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.